In this video, I will show you how to share image with Meta AI. For that, ensure that your Threads is fully updated. After that, simply open up Threads. From here, at the bottom of the screen, you can see this menu bar. Click on DMs. From here, you can simply find Meta AI chat box, or you can search for it and simply click on Meta AI. After that, to send a photo or image, you can see at the bottom of the screen there is the place where you type out the message, and right beside it there is the small photo icon. Click on it. After that, it will open up your gallery, or it will ask you the permission to access your photos. Simply allow it. After that, simply click on any photo, then click on done. You can select multiple also, then click on done. Now here you can type out any questions or any changes that you need to make in the photo and simply click on send. After that, it will take some time to assess it, and then this will be your answer. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.